Hey everyone, and welcome back to Investing Guide. When most people think about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin and Ethereum are usually the first two names that come to mind. However, experts and analysts won't hesitate to tell you that Cardano and its ADA token is a cryptocurrency that you will be wise to keep your eyes on. Cardano properly launched in the market back in 2017, and it's still relatively young, but it has achieved so much for itself in the last few years since its inception. Since then, it's steadily remained in the top 10 cryptocurrencies around the world. Cardano has even been a top third largest cryptocurrency several times in 2021 alone. Cardano's ADA has been on an unbelievable growth spurt, with a market value of nearly $70 billion US. Starting in 2021 at a $0.2 price mark and breaking past that $3 mark in September, it's no doubt that there is huge potential ahead for this coin. Many in the Cardano community believe that in the long term, the gains that this crypto asset has to offer are really good, and most early supporters continue to hold on to their ADA tokens. Currently at the $2.1 mark, what can we expect to see, and what can this look like in the near future? Let's see what the experts have to say. Coinbase, along with other major news outlets like Forbes, Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg, and even Wall Street Journal, have all revealed some exciting news that will undoubtedly influence the price of the ADA token. So stick around until the end, because you're going to want to learn more about Cardano and potentially invest in the coin that has been called many times over things like the Ethereum killer. If you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your notifications to stay up to date on the world of investing. Cardano ADA has been among the best performing cryptocurrencies in 2021, not to mention that it's steadily held its place, and it's been in the top 5 cryptocurrencies worldwide. In this highly volatile market, we've seen some crazy swings within the year. When Cardano hit an all-time high back in May, it was definitely an exciting time for the community. However, that was soon shattered when the market crashed and the value of the token dropped to nearly half of what it once was. That might have dismayed many, but the Cardano network stayed strong. With its ongoing projects, its long-awaited Alonzo upgrade back in September, and very loyal and trusting investors, it has made a steady recovery and has even crossed new barriers, breaking a new record past the $3 mark in early September. This was a remarkable feat for the ADA token and is something that should not be taken lightly. Experts, analysis, and price prediction websites are all looking at this in a very positive way, believing that the coin is surely going to break even higher records in the future. Coinbase, one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchange platforms, has quite an influential presence in the crypto world. So when its CEO, Brian Armstrong, tweeted in late August that their board was investing over $500 million into cryptocurrencies in the near future, there was a dramatic increase in speculation over which cryptos they were investing in. This may have fueled Cardano's price at the time. Having Cardano offer on major asset firms such as Coinbase and Grayscale shows that these companies are confident in the token. More and more companies and countries are opening their doors to this cryptocurrency, such as Japan's recent launch of Cardano on its popular Bitcoin platform. This shows the amount of confidence that's being placed on the token and is something that should be taken seriously by anyone considering this crypto asset. Cardano has been one of the most popular projects this 2021, and it has amazingly broken past all-time highs, clearly demonstrating its capability to achieve high price peaks. Analysts and experts are predicting that we might even see the price of Cardano break past the $3 or even $4 mark by the end of the year. The Alonzo upgrade back in September unfortunately dismayed the Cardano community when prices didn't skyrocket as much as they expected, but we have to consider that September is a typically bearish month, historically speaking. Still, despite the rocky prices, a current price of $2.1 and investors continuing to hold on to their ADA tokens with over 32 billion tokens in circulation every day. That's a great sign, and it shows that investors definitely believe in the long-term successes that their network has to offer. But maybe, just maybe, we might even see Cardano's price peak just at the $5 mark and even go past that by the end of the year. In order for Cardano to continue rising in price, Bitcoin must also continue to rise. It's no secret in the crypto world that most price predictions typically follow the movements of Bitcoin. However, there is no need to place 100% faith in price predictions in a market known to be highly volatile by nature. Conservative price predictions, such as Wallet Investor and Digital Coin, are seeing the possibility of ADA token breaking past the $4 to $6 mark in the next year or two. But more liberal investors and price predictors, such as priceprediction.net, are predicting that we might even see ADA reach a price of up to $85 by 2033. Again, it's not wise to take these predictions for what they are. They still are incredibly useful in understanding what the current market is like the amount of confidence investors and analysts have in Cardano, and whether or not the future is generally positive or not. The addition of the Cardano token onto the Coinbase platform may be the momentum the network precisely needs in order to shift gears and power through to becoming one of the most mainstream cryptocurrencies out there. Coinbase is definitely a great stepping stone to help Cardano reach new and unbelievable heights, which might be a game changer for the price of the ADA token. What with the Alonzo upgrade, huge projects in the pipeline, and the aid of massive platforms such as Coinbase, who knows, maybe the ADA token might even reach the $100 mark in the near future, especially if big financial institutions begin accepting it sooner than we expect. What are your thoughts on this? Do you think it's possible for Cardano to see a 3-digit figure? Let us know in the comments down below. And while you're at it, before we continue, if you like the video so far, click that like button and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on any updates from the world of investing. Charles Hoskinson, Cardano founder and Ethereum co-founder, along with his developers, have always said that their end goal is to ensure that the blockchain card is compatible with Ethereum-based smart contracts. This was to give more access to a wider range of apps, as well as to allow developers more freedom in working on Cardano projects. Hoskinson has always believed in a more scientific and research-based approach in developing the blockchain technologies and Cardano ecosystem, ensuring that a solid and reliable system is there to run in the long term. This is undeniably a great approach because Hoskinson is ensuring maximum efficiency, transaction speed, effectivity, security, usability, sustainability, and more. These are characteristics that most companies will be looking for when choosing what cryptocurrencies or blockchain technologies they want to deploy within their own systems. The Cardano ecosystem is expected to develop at a significant and exponential rate in the months and years to come. So, holding onto ADA tokens might be more profitable than some would think, especially since it's still in its early stages. Just think that if the ADA token started the year at the $0.2 mark and skyrocketed to pass the $3 mark in just 9 months, what could it look like in another 12 or 24? There is definitely huge potential for the coin to grow. As mentioned earlier, Cardano has touched Southeast Asia when it was officially launched on one of the largest Japanese cryptocurrency exchange platforms, Bitpoint. This was insane news, as everyone knows that Japan has some of the toughest listing requirements in the world when it comes to cryptocurrencies. The fact that Cardano was able to break through this country just shows the fact that more and more are taking this crypto seriously. Not to mention that this means more people are giving access to investing in Cardano, meaning that the market value will undoubtedly grow over time. Now, some of the more recent announcements that might influence the performance of Cardano. SingularityNet is a network that specializes in decentralized artificial intelligence and will also be the first token to be transferred to the Cardano network when it launches. The startup intends to be the first to transition to the Cardano network, bringing its own native AGIX cryptocurrency with it. Awakening Health, a joint venture between Hanson Robotics and the previously mentioned SingularityNet, is also developing an AI robot that will be surpassed by the Cardano ecosystem. Cardano's role is to provide the highest levels of security while ensuring low and stable costs and a significantly improved AI performance. And Straight Brands, a luxury Australian spirits brand, has also chosen to partner up with Cardano. This comes as the Straight Brands aim to embrace a blockchain-first approach in managing its supply chain and its entire production process being developed using the Cardano platform. It's more obvious that more countries than ever across industries are choosing to partner with Cardano. Price predictions continue to be as hot as ever as more investors and the wider Cardano community continue to wait and see how the ADA token performs in the weeks and months to come. There is no doubt that there is a lot going on for the network, and you just have to ask yourself whether or not this is the best time to invest in Cardano. If the price currently sits at just above that $2 mark, what might we expect by the end of 2021, or even in 2, 5, or 10 years' time. And so for today's video, guys, thanks for staying with us until the end, and we hope that you learned a thing or two. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen to learn some more. See you there!